Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to edit PDF on Affinity Design. Once you're on Affinity, just go ahead and open up a blank document by clicking the plus on the upper right hand side. Choose your size, whichever size you want. So in this case, I'm going to just choose, for example, A4. It doesn't matter, right? Go ahead and select the size, then click on create document. And that's going to open up the blank design right here. Now, if you want to edit any PDF document, just simply click on file on the upper left hand side from the menu options, click on open and go ahead and find your PDF document. So I'm going to go ahead and find this PDF document that says what is 3i Atlas, for example. Click on that, then click on open. You will see it shows up right here with some options. All you have to do really guys is just choose on open and it's going to open up your PDF document including all the pages as you can see right here on the left hand side. So if you want to edit the document, it's already in edit mode. You can click on whatever you want. So as you can see right here, I can click on any text. As you can see line by line, you can click it, you can remove it. So if I want to press delete right now on my keyboard, you can see it delete. I'm going to just press Ctrl Z to bring it back. If you want to change the size, the color, whatever it is, your font, you can do whatever it is, right? So I'm going to go ahead and change, for example, the font size here by clicking the plus here on the upper right hand side. And as you can see, the more I click, the more it's increasing the font size there, right? You can move it around, change whatever you want. Very easy and very simple. So here you have all your pages for your PDF document. Now, let's say you finish edit your document, guys, and you want to go ahead and export this again as a PDF document. You can easily do that. Just simply go ahead and click the drop down right next to export PNG and click that drop down there. Then here you'll find the PNG format. Click the drop down and find PDF in the list. You have a whole lot of PDF documents and a lot of different file types that you can choose from. But as we're focusing on PDF right here, you can just simply go ahead and choose the basic one. For example, PDF for prints. You select that, you can see that it shows your entire document and you just want to go ahead and click on export at the bottom right here. And from here, you can just save your document. So I'm going to just say document and just say space and just write 3i, for example, and just go ahead and click on save. And you will see that the entire document is now exported. Now, this is the new document that was created. I'm going to open it. I make a small adjustment there. You can choose to open it in whatever Adobe. You can open it in, for example, Google Chrome, whatever. I'm going to choose Google Chrome as an example right here and just say open. And you will see that the document is now changed. And look at this, the document is changed with me making changes to the title here, which make it larger and put it a little bit in the center. While the previous document that I had for this, where is it? Let me find it. Open up this document. You will see that this document has slightly different title right here. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple. So that's how you can easily edit PDF on Affinity. Very easy and very simple, guys.